Hi there, friends. I'm Bobo. Today we are learning very first letter of the alphabet, A. That's right. A is the very first letter in the ABCs. And guess what? A says A. 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 Let's start it together. A says A. 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 One more time. Yay! A. Now, let's find out what starts with the letter A. Are you ready? A is for apple.
B is for ball.
A is for ant.
B is for bee with buzz,
A is
buzzing
for
sound. B
astronaut.
is for boat that sails so
Yes.
free. Riding
A
waves in the
is
endless
for
sea.
apple and
let's sing
astronaut.
from A to
Great
Z.
job, my clever friends.
Every
You are
letter's
doing
a world to
amazing.
see.
Now,
Clap your
would you like to
hands and
sing
jump
the A
with me.
song with me?
Learning's
It's super fun
as
and
it
easy.
can be.
Ready? Let's go!
A is for apple, red and sweet. A is for ant with tiny feet. A is for astronaut, flying high, waving to the stars up in the sky. Oh, let's sing from A to Z. Every letter's a world to see. Clap your hands and jump with me. Learning's fun as it can be. B is for ball, you bounce around. B is for bee with buzz, buzzing sound. B is for boat that sails so free, riding waves in the endless sea. Oh, let's sing from A to Z. Every letter's a world to see. Clap your hands and jump with me. Learning's fun as it can be. C is for cat with a little meow. C is for cow that goes big and how. C is for car that zooms so fast. Learning letters, it's such a blast. D is for dog